If I was president of the world, I would decree that everybody had to use composting toilets. Good morning, lovely people. We're back in Pepe. It's been 3 months, I think, that we've not had Pepe because there was an issue with the brakes. That has now manually been fabricated for us, and the brakes are working again, so awesome, 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 awesome. We do have a change of plans, but there's another video about that. In the meantime, we're going to unbox our toilet. We ordered this from Simploo almost 2 years ago, and we've not opened it yet. It's been sitting, ready, waiting, and now it's the time. So I hope it's still there. It's been sitting in our hallway for 2 years, and we've been looking at this big brown box, and now it's the moment of truth. La. Cool, what's in here? Ooh! Wow, that's cool. Okay, instructions, dude. You're going to be reading this. I will too. Wow. Okay, so it's got the separator. Oh wow. Okay. So, come have a look. Oh, it's smaller than I thought. Much smaller. So obviously this is the separator. So the liquids go down into here. You can either have it fitting into a canister, or you can have it going directly into a black water tank. Then this is the part that collects all the solids. As you can see, it fits just nicely. Okay. Wow, that's not bad. I have no idea how much it weighs. It's not too much. The washing machine that we had is heavier. But come with me. Let's put it in. Wow, this is really cute. It's tiny. Look at the space. I thought it would be much bigger. That's a perfect size. Perfect. Wow. Black pipe leads to the black water tank, which is really cool. So this is all for the liquids, and we could, feed that down, or we can use the bottle instead, where the liquids just feed directly into the bottle. So to take out the solids, there's a little handle here, and we just move that forward and then bring it out. Cool.
Does it smell?
Not bad, actually.
Curry?
Ew! That's quite a creepy thought. Okay, we're going to need to read the instructions a bit more than this, because I don't know what this is for.
You know what the issue is?
Dude, there are cables. That's your job.
It's a fan to dry the solids. Also, you're holding two buckets.
Oh, right.
That's why it's a little more difficult to get out, right?
Oh, right. Oh, so you got a backpack?
You have one each.
Yes, you're going to be removing yours after every sneaky little poo.
No, my poo is not stinky. Roses and petals.
Ew, that's just gross. But yes, it is a part of life, people.
So yeah, how is it solid? How's it built?
Yeah, this is phenomenal. This is really, really cool.
What is this? Like a polyester kind of.
Yeah.
Oh, it's actually aluminium, I think. Sandwich.
It's really cool.
Nicely made.
Yeah, very nicely made. Oops. Okay, so we'll take a bit of getting used to. This comes out here, I think. This is so it doesn't get all over the place. Just lined up. For a seat, which is obviously makes it a bit more comfortable. And see there are holes at the bottom. And with these babies, so I'm assuming yeah, clip. Oh, that's cool. It doesn't. Hello with the view. This is so exciting. Could you ever imagine being so excited about putting a loo in? Yay!
How's the height?
Yeah, it's great. More importantly, how's it for you?
Good. You can have a shower while you're on the toilet, actually. It's very efficient.
Is that how B-days were invented?
Make efficient use of your time, guys. But yeah, it's high enough.
Yeah.
It's cool. It's quite compact. It's not that deep, which
Yeah,
is nice.
I thought it was much bigger.
Well, the box was like up to here.
Yeah.
So our little shower drain is unimpeded. This gives you a lot more room.
Yeah, that's really, really cool.
Got our... Oh, hang on a minute. Look what I found here. It's already here. Would you excuse me, please?
So we managed to get our Simploo basically set up, and we also got the bin liners already, so that's a good start. We're ready to go. It seems quite simple to use. I love the idea that we're not using water to flush the toilets. I mean, for a really big choice behind having this compostable toilet, apart from, you know, the plumbing and black water and everything, it's just the use of water. Fresh water is going to become a huge, huge, huge commodity, and it completely blows my mind that we're using perfectly good drinking water to flush our toilets. We should all be using systems like this instead, I think, in my opinion. Thanks for watching, and keep rolling. Black water pipe, black water. Black pipe leads to the black water tank, which is really cool.